Okay, we have a very short lesson today, very short but very important for your exam. Ons gaan dit vir jou vra in jou eksamen. We are going to ask you this in the exam. In fact, it is already in your paper. So be sure to focus, please guys, come on. Want dit lyk nie vir my of julle wakker is nie. Right. Ons gaan eers net gaan uitfigure hoe bepaal ons ontbrekende koördinate? How do we find missing coordinates? So I provide the following straight line to you, and I give you the straight line function or formula in standard form, y equals 2x minus 1. By looking at this standard form, Tyrese, waarin is my gradiënt gelyk? Wat is die gradiënt van my reguit lyn? Sê weer? 2. Is die koëffisiënt van x. What is the y-intercept of my straight line? Minus 1. Okay, now that's not the question. Ons het 2 punte op hierdie lyn. Ons het punt A en ons het punt B. By punt A is M onbekend en by punt B is N onbekend. So the y value is unknown for point A and the x value is unknown for point B. Ons word gevra om hierdie ontbrekende koördinate te bepaal. We need to determine the unknown coordinates, the unknown values. So as ek vir jou sê, vind vir my die waarde van M, dan is dit eintlik mos maar die y-waarde van punt A. It is the y value of point A. So I'm going to substitute point A into my straight line function. Jy vervang punt A in jou reguitlyn vergelyking. Want ons wil dan nou vir M bereken. Ek wil net herhaal, jou reguitlyn vergelyking is y is gelyk aan 2x minus 1. That is your straight line formula. The equation of your straight line. So dan bereken jy vir M. Is dit maklik of moeilik? Nee man, julle. Okay, maar wees rustig dan. Take your time. I've never actually read the comments, so that's a good... I could probably do that. Gaan nou vir jou sê. Okay, wie skryf nog 'n eerste enetjie neer? Who's still writing down? Okay. Ja. Korrek. I have 166 subscribers. Sorry? I started with 2, my mom and myself. So, I mean, yeah, anyway, kom ons gaan aan. Arme kinders, shame. Okay, kom ons gaan aan. How would we calculate N for November? Substitute. Dis die x-waarde van punt B. Sub beteken vervang. into your straight line equation. Lekker. Ek wil net hê jy moet saam met my dink hieroor. N is jou x-waarde, 9 is jou y-waarde. So N is 5. Dis die gradiënt van ons reguit lyn. Ek gaan nou vir jou wys. Hulle gee vir jou die reguit lyn vergelyking, die vergelyking ja, in standaard vorm. So jy vervang net vir x en vir y. En dan bereken jy die missing coordinate. Maklik of moeilik? Die ander klas het gesê dis regtig maklik. So ek hoop dit is vir julle net so maklik. Okay. Right. Ons gaan nog een dingetjie doen vandag. One more thing waiting for us. Wie skryf nog neer? Okay. Jy neergeskryf. Mooi. Okay. Een opskrifie oor vir die dag. Snypunte van grafieke. Points of intersection. Point or points. Julle kan solank daardie twee grafieke vir my teken. Please draw the straight lines. Okay, so 'n snypunt is waar hierdie twee lyne mekaar sny. Big surprise. No one saw that coming, but the point of intersection is where these two straight lines cross each other. They intersect. Can we all agree it is that point over there? Maar wys hom vir jou. Daar. That is your point of intersection. En ek gaan vir jou vra, bereken vir my daai snypunt. Calculate that point of intersection. So how would we do that? Mathematics, I know. Well done. In order to calculate that point, you would equate the two equations. Jy gaan hulle gelykstel aan mekaar. I'm sure there's a better way to say this in English. But you would say let function 1 equal function 2, want dit is tog waar die twee funksies presies dieselfde koördinate het. So surely if we say let the pink function equal the green function, we solve for x. Then we know at least what the x coordinate is. So a snypunt, a point of intersection, is as easy as stel die een vergelyking gelyk aan die ander vergelyking. Solve for x. So if we say pink gelyk aan groen, it looks like this. Pink gelyk aan groen. Take all the x's to the same side. X is equal to what? 1. Nou wat ek nou vir jou sê is dat jou x-waarde is 1. Maar wat is jou y-waarde? How would we calculate y? Substitute. Does it matter? What did you say? I couldn't hear. Not that. Let's pretend that's what you said, or at least that's what you meant. Does it matter if I substitute x into the pink equation or the green equation? Nee, want hulle gaan vir dieselfde y-waarde gee. So substitute x equals 1 into either equation. Ja. Let equation 1 be equal to equation 2. Let the one straight line equation be equal to the next or the other straight line equation. So A is gelijk aan 2. Guess what? We have the point of intersection. Dit is dit. Nou vir huiswerk, julle het almal 'n bladsy gekry, dis oefening 10. Julle gaan vir my A en B doen. You will do A and B. Huh? Ons sal kyk of dit maklik is. Hierdie is maklik, ja. Maar ek sien julle gaan dit hier ook moet doen. Ja, okay.